Hello everyone, today we introduce this machine.
It has two buttons. One is emergency button, and this is normal key button. We turn on this button.
Three modes about this machine: fast hair remove, and skin rejuvenation. Different treatment area you can choose: under lips, face, arm, underarm, chest, back, bikini, and leg. Different dates you can choose. Detailed date. Don't worry, if you don't know how to operate this machine, we can send you to your email. Wow, small handle. Depend on this handle to treat. Before treatment, wear the protect glasses. First step, shaving the hair. Second step, cover the coat gel. Apply evenly by the handle, press the button. This is all process of a hair removal machine. Have you learned about it? Follow me, learn more about beauty knowledge.